How to fix Snapchat recap not showing. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you a solution that you can try if you are facing this kind of problem with your Snapchat recaps. Firstly, open settings on your device and go to the Wi-Fi option. In Wi-Fi, make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your current network is lagging, then forget the network and re-add the same network or a different one. After that, go back and open General. Inside General, go to Software Update and check for any updates that may be available. After checking for software update, again go back and open iPhone storage. Now here you will find all the apps that are installed on your device. After opening Snapchat, tap on Offload app to clear your cache. Now go back to your home page and open your App Store or Google Play Store. Here you need to search for Snapchat and look for updates. If you see an update option available, then click on it to update your app. Now just give your device a quick restart and your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.